The Gift of the Nile crossword puzzle. Write the best answer in each blank and complete the crossword puzzle. If you are choosing the crossword puzzle, type your answers on the next slide, slide 4. Across, number 5. Blank reported that 100,000 Egyptians spent 20 years building the Great Pyramid. Number 7. Ancient Egyptians believed that everyone had a physical body and a blank body. Number 9. Egypt was described as the gift of the blank. Number 10. The blank had total power over the kingdom of Egypt. Down. Number 1. Bodies were preserved after death by blank. Number 2. The blank covered 13 acres and stood 481 feet tall. Number 3. The pyramids were built before the pulley or vehicles with blank were invented. Number 4. Egyptians believed that their pharaohs were living blank. Number 6. During Egypt's blank, rulers created a strong central government. And number 8. The pyramid was a symbol of blank during a pharaoh's life.